Hello everyone, hope you're well and happy new year to everyone. Happy new year to everyone. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Welcome to Triangle Academy channel, YouTube channel. This is our first YouTube video for 2022 where we'll be analyzing so many markets, financial assets tradable in the market, from cryptocurrency to forex to stocks and so on and so forth. And we want you to subscribe on this channel and like our videos and share our videos to those who want to learn how to trade the financial markets. Last year we had a whole lot of vibe about Bitcoin getting to $100,000 by December 2021, and we had a lot of people on Twitter, on Discord channels, maximalists, crypto enthusiasts on Facebooks, saying Bitcoin is to get to $100,000 by December. They had so much hope, so much enthusiasm that Bitcoin would get to $100,000, which is actually great. I like that. But who would have thought in their minds that Bitcoin would trade at $46,000 as at 31st of December 2021? Nobody. So we had a lot of low emotions. We had a lot of people disappointed, this and that. And this is to tell you that you need to be realistic about your expectations. This is a financial market where you are a pawn on the chessboard. There are a lot of manipulations going on. Market reacts to scarcity. Market reacts to demand and supply. And market reacts to manipulations. So if you don't understand all of these, you just getting disappointed and depressed and saying, oh, cryptocurrency is a scam. And because you actually allowed your emotion to cloud your reasoning, you need to know that this is a place where a lot of manipulation takes place. So yeah, I trust Bitcoin to get $100,000, but not anytime soon, you see. So because there are a lot of people who have higher stake in this than everyone. Okay, so we'll be analyzing Bitcoin from the multi-time frame, and right now, as we see, Bitcoin is actually trading. Bitcoin is actually at the trading at the uptrend right now. Bitcoin is trading. The Bitcoin price is actually at the uptrend. I'm trying to make this visible, and yeah, market price growth structure at this point. There's a little bit of reaccumulation around this period, around this region. There was a reaccumulation here, and the price book structure maintained this momentum and created series of highs and lows. So I'm going to expand this so you could actually see what we're talking about here, because we'll be explaining certain things. So within this range and this range, within these highs here and these lows here, price actually moved in between this range. And interestingly, in the monthly time frame, we found out that we had a lot of buy orders at this point. This BSL we see over here is called buy side liquidity, and of course, the opposite of buy side liquidity is sell side liquidity. So, so in between we have internal ranges there. The INRGLQ is just an abbreviation for internal range liquidity of the buy sell liquidity. So around this region, we have so many traders having buy orders around this, thinking that Bitcoin should move to $80,000 to $90,000 to $100,000 and beyond. But interestingly, we have folks at the top of the apex here, at the top of the zenith here, or wherever, pushing price down. So as it stands on the monthly time frame, we are actually in a bearish condition right now. So price is looking at liquidating these folks over here right now. So if you are saying, oh, Bitcoin should get to $100,000 again, you need to have a rethink. You need to actually listen to what the chart is telling you right now. So we actually go to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame actually gives us a very clear understanding of what is going on here. So as I say, as you can see here, price, yeah, I'm going to look this. So price is looking at liquidating these folks over here. These folks over here, and if price should break this low, if price should break this low over here, these lows over here, if price should break these lows over here, what we are thinking that should happen as a result of this is that price might go back to retest this breaker block here, at this region, then come down to actually take out those who are here. So many, there are tons of buy orders at this point, at this region over here, buy side liquidity. So we are looking at Bitcoin moving back to rejecting this zone, moving back to probably $50,000 before coming down to clear out folks who are actually resident here right from the start. And this is not the only thing that price is going to do. Price is not just going to come down to manipulate these folks out. We have liquidity around this region too. Hold on. Nope. This is not what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So between this region and this region, we have something they call fair value gap. Now, fair value gap are zones where prices resides, where we have a momentum that has been sustained for a while. And the reason why the source momentum is being sustained for a while is because of folks around this region. Folks around this region. So they tend to push prices high without stop, without taking a break. So from one bullish momentum to another bullish momentum to another bullish momentum to another bullish momentum, so it creates a void of unmitigated price. You see, so price is also coming down, not only to clear out, to manipulate these folks out, but to also fill the fair value gaps. So every single gap that was left behind by certain buyers or sellers will need to be filled before price, because there must be balance in the market in price before price will move. There must be efficiency either at the buy side or at the sell side before price moves. Are you getting this? So looking at this, moving on here, the overall momentum of price, as I said, is actually sorry about that. It's actually on the high side. I mean, price is actually trading at the high side. So looking at this, we found out that price is actually manipulating the highs. Price is actually manipulating the highs. So if you are conversant with Wyckoff, this is a manipulation of the highs and break of structure to the lows. This is a distribution. So that means price is actually breaking, manipulating the highs, create another high, manipulate it again, create another high, manipulate it again before it finally breaks structure to the lows. When this is going to happen, I don't know. So, but as it stands right now, price is trading in an uptrend, and the market is actually manipulating the highs right now. So whatever we see right now is just manipulation of price. So it is possible that these highs over here will be manipulated. Bitcoin might come one day to get to this point and take out these folks around this region. It's going to take out folks that are here, because there are certain folks here that pushed price downwards, clearing out those who are actually in between the range, taking out the holders, and probably coming down. So at some point in time, price is going to move up, Bitcoin is going to move up. Those buy folks here, those who are buying orders here, are going to push price forward to take out those who are resident here, you see, and manipulate them off, creating another highs. So if you are conversant with Wyckoff, this should be a preliminary supply, buyer's climax, secondary test phase B. Then we might see an uptrust, then an UTAD. So we don't have an uptrust yet. We don't have an UTAD yet. So what I'm actually thinking of, what I'm looking at right now, is a possible Wyckoff distribution phase A or Wyckoff distributions phase B. So I'm sorry for the charts. Sorry for the how the chart is. I'm just trying to explain things to you right now. So my charts are not always clean, you see. So so as we see, as we see over here, this is the weekly time frame. This is what we're expecting at the weekly time frame. This analysis on the weekly time frame, where we are expecting that price should clear out folks around this region, take them out, then move up here, probably retest this bearish breaker block here, then push price down. Possible, we could actually see a possible rejection of price in this region, then move up again, taking out those who are here, creating an uptrust, find another reversal, an UTAD, find another reversal, then break this structure down. This is the structure that is important right now, because there are no other lows yet. Bitcoin has not created any other lows apart from this one. So if there is any other low apart from this one, if Bitcoin created any or creates in the future any other lows that took out these lows here, this will become our sign of strength, sign of weakness rather. So the sign of weakness already let us know that Bitcoin has the ability to melt down lower. So personally, to me, I'm not going to put my hope on Bitcoin getting to $100,000 this year. We might have series of all-time highs right now. We might have series of all-time highs. Yes, this year, maybe once. Maybe the next all-time high we might get might be 75,000 or 80,000. We might really have that this year. So before we actually find another manipulations of highs, then probably a little bit of break of structure. I'm expecting that Bitcoin should break this structure, create a sign of weakness before moving up again. So right now, in the nutshell, what I am trying to say is that we are looking forward for further manipulations of lows and further manipulations of highs. I'm looking forward that prices we should actually create an all-time high, a significant all-time high. Yeah, I'm looking forward for Bitcoin to create a significant all-time high, then melt downwards to actually clear certain liquidities that are resident beneath prices. You see, so this should be the end of Bitcoin analysis for 2022. If you like this video, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos. There are learning platforms, and if you have questions to ask, you can join. You can go to our description below. Our links are there for you to join our Telegram group and visit our website also. All right. So thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video. Thank you.